Heyo, boss, and welcome back. Today we're going to show you a classic, the Great American BLT. Now, Chef's going to spice it up a little bit, add some different changes to it, but we are so excited to show you this true American classic. Maybe not that much bacon, but we'll see. Let's get cooking. So yes, the classic BLT is just your standard bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Very simple to make. And the first thing Chef said to do is get your bacon in the oven so it can cook up 400 degrees. And while the bacon's cooking, he's going to take some romaine lettuce. And these are romaine lettuce hearts. He's going to wash them and then just cut them in halves. Next, of course, using the safety of his cutting glove, he's going to go ahead and cut a beefsteak tomato, another American classic. And there you have it. Now, you might see cheese. It's not wrong. You're not seeing anything wrong. We are adding cheese to this. So, Chef, go ahead. He's going to pat that bacon down after it comes out of the oven. And we have everything prepped. Next up, go ahead and put up 3 pieces of bread in your toaster oven. We're going to use classic white. And when they're toasted up, take them out. And just put a little bit of mayonnaise on 2 of those pieces. That's going to be your top and your bottom. Did I lose anybody yet? Am I going too fast? Okay, next up, we're going to add a piece of cheese. And now we're going to go ahead and building this. So the lettuce first, a couple strips of bacon, and then some tomatoes. All right, next up, add that middle piece to make it that official club. And then go ahead with the lettuce and a couple pieces of bacon again. And put some tomato anywhere you want. Throw it on the cutting board, whatever. Okay, the last piece goes on top, and we are just about done. So here's kind of what it looks like before we kind of cut it up. Pretty classic there. Now, Chef went ahead and purchased some long wooden spears. And this is just because if you're going to build any kind of club, you're going to really want to do this to hold it together as you're cutting it. Okay, so first he's going to cut it diagonally one way. And then straight down the other way. Not too bad. Even I could make this. So he's going to go ahead and plate that up. Pretty simple. Couple key ingredients, folks. No seasoning either. And there you have it, your classic BLT club with some chips. Now, the reason Chef did this is because he knows that sometimes you're always looking around the kitchen saying, I have nothing to eat. But as you can see, if you have just a couple key ingredients, and if you grow your own tomatoes, or if you grow your own lettuce or vegetables, you can make a club just like this. So, pretty much invented just to say, I got only a couple things in my kitchen. Well, you can make something like this. We hope you enjoyed this all-American classic, and definitely check out our new videos and subscribe if you're new. Don't forget, cooking should be fun, everyone. Have fun doing it.